the dead of night, as the moon cast eerie shadows on the ground, a network of hidden tunnels lay silently beneath the American soil. These were not mere forgotten passages, but the lifelines for countless souls fleeing the clutches of slavery. Each tunnel was a testament to the bravery and ingenuity of those who risked everything to aid their escape. Imagine a dimly lit passage, its walls etched with the sweat and fears of those who had fled. Here in the darkness, courageous conductors and sympathizers whispered urgent instructions, guiding the terrified escapees through labyrinthine routes. Hidden beneath seemingly ordinary homes, these secretive safe houses became sanctuaries, their true nature known only to the most trusted allies. The tunnels weren't just paths, they were symbols of defiance and hope. As the pursued moved through these dark corridors, the echoes of their footsteps mingled with whispers of liberation, carried by those daring to dream of true freedom.